dresser that I'm refinishing, when I took off the hardware that was on it, I realized obviously it wasn't original to the piece, and actually I was left with 4 holes in 3 of the drawers, which was disappointing because I'm trying to refinish it to a wood finish. So I went ahead and filled them in with, in the front, I filled them in with a colored wood putty, a darker putty, and on the back side I filled them in with a natural wood putty. So I could do a little bit better job, get the little kit, fill them all in. But when I got my hardware in that I chose a mid-century modern look. It's actually going to cover the problem for me. So this is a long bar, and it's actually going to fit over and cover all the holes. And so, you know, you can fill everything in and do all that, but sometimes your hardware can solve the problem for you. So I think this is going to be a really pretty look, and I really don't have to fill in all the extra holes. So there you go.